afternoon. As we approach the holiday season, many of you may be thinking about upgrading your home office. It's been a year of adjustment for most of us, and looking to the future, we see the trend of working from home continuing. Employers have started to realize that they do not need such large office spaces for people to do their jobs effectively. One of the services we offer here at AA Tech Solutions is to come to your home and look at how you do things and give you options on upgrades that would allow you to do your job more efficiently. It could be anything from simple software upgrades to all new hardware, perhaps even a new all-in-one printer that would make scanning and emailing just that little bit simpler. Maybe you would like to make your home a smart home and allow you to control things like lighting, TVs, and sound systems. These changes don't cost a fortune and can make working from home a much more enjoyable experience. Maybe you're an employer who's looking to upgrade the office while your staff are away. Simple additions to the office, like an Apple TV in the boardroom, can allow guests and staff to present easily to clients, as well as making your business look like it's on the cutting edge of technology. It's now the time to invest in your home and business, so that once things return to normal, you hit the ground running and stand out from the competition. Although we have over 20 years of experience in Windows support and do fully support all their systems, it's no secret that we do love Apple products here at AA Tech Solutions. Today, I'm thrilled to announce that we now have a business agreement with Apple that allows us to get discounts on their fantastic range of products. This discount is passed directly to you, the customer, and gives us preferential support for all their products that we provide and install. So why not head over to our website and book a free consultation with us? It's now super easy to book an online consultation through our site. Just click on the link below and choose a day and time. We very much look forward to hearing from you and to see how we can help make your lives easier for work and home. Thanks for tuning in again, and have a great week ahead.